Guys, Sandy here, and I am excited to show you my secret, not secret kit club kit for the month of January. Super excited. Got a ticket in my little note. Okay, love this tissue paper. Let's see what's in it. Oops. Crystal, I tore all the tissue. Okay. Woohoo! Look at this. Okay. Well, bam. Okay. All kinds of exciting beautifulness in this bad boy. Okay, so of course we're going to start with the papers. Here we have this gold foil. Really pretty. No idea where it came from. Then we have this Simple Stories Romance. It's a cut apart on this side. And then this beautiful mint green and rose on this side. Then we have a American Crafts die cut and a whole bunch of hearts. We have this from Jen Hadfield Homemade, Heart of Home, cut apart on this side with a whole bunch of tags, and then on this side is a pink dot, or a pink with white dot rather. Then we have Heart of Home, this buffalo check. It's called buffalo check. I would think this is a little bit more plaid, but whatever. And then a black and white dot on that side. Then we have Everyday Eclectic. This is called Music Notes. And I have had this paper in my stash and I love it. Then we have Patio Party. And this is called Welcome Mat. This black and white, oops, hair. This black and white stripe, and then this geometric pattern. And then there is a 12 by 12 sticker sheet from Simple Stories. Beautiful. And these are cardstock stickers. Okay. We have some thickers in Spooktacular, and it is a foam thicker with black foam underneath of the gold. And then we have some 6x6 papers, or 6x8 papers. We have this mint with these florals on it and stripe on the back, stripe on this side, and florals. Another one, so whoop. And then some fun dots and more dots on that side. There is a stencil, a stamp. I have no idea where the stamp set came from. Some doilies. Then in this little guy, we have a heavy body acrylic paint. This is a metallic mint. And then we have inklings in Old Yeller. And the reason why I had looked at this was because I have a Shimmer's Golden Wheat, and I was just checking them out. So, got that. Then in this little baggie, ooh, okay, on this little baggie we have some black sparkly enamel dots. And then some acetate. That's an acetate tag. Some of these beautiful safety pins. An acetate and gold ampersand. Little polka dot ampersand. And little bits and pieces of the die cuts. And this has got to be from the Simple Stories. What did I just say this was? Beautiful collection. Because they all mention. Oh my goodness! What are these? Okay, and then In this little bag, we have some black and white twine, some gold and white twine. And then we have these gold stars. Whoops. A little sparkly camera, or on that side if you didn't want to go sparkly. And then 3 little roses. And that is my kit, guys. This is beautiful. This is awesome. Christina was definitely paying attention because I kept saying how much I loved the mint green colors that people were getting in their sneak peeks. So awesome job, Christina. And I cannot wait to get started with this kit. Oh, if you're interested in your own personally curated kit, go ahead and check out the link down below.